Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and unfollow a curator in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with using the application, taking a look at all the books that are recommended to us and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to unfollow a curator. So first things first, we are going to locate the curator we want to unfollow. So you can either find them through an idea or directly from their curator profile page. So what we can do is go ahead and open up the explore option. That's going to enable you to use the search button from where you can directly search for that curator. So let's go ahead and find one of the curators. I can open up the book section right here, from where we can go ahead and find the top curators option. And here we have some curators from where we can open them up. So let's say I want to unfollow this one right here. Let's say I'm following him. If I'm following him, it's going to show the following button right here. So from here, all I need to do to be able to unfollow him is just click the following button. Just like that, you are going to be able to unfollow them. So if you wish to follow them again, just click the follow button again and you're going to be following them. But basically that's how you go and follow a curator. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.